we're diving into a massive update from Higgsfield, which is quickly becoming the ultimate studio for AI creators. They've just integrated Kling 3.0, and here is the best part. If you sign up right now, they're running a special offer for unlimited Kling 3.0 access. This means you can test, iterate, and fail as much as you want without burning through your hard-earned credits. We're talking 15-second cinematic sequences, native audio with perfect lip sync, and multi-shot consistency that actually works. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to take advantage of this unlimited window to build a professional-grade scene from scratch. Let's get into the workflow. Now, let's talk about multi-shots. And the way how it works is that you can simply build an entire 15-second video off of a base image or from a single image. And the way how it works is simply by click on the video button on the navigation bar when you land on the website. I'll leave a link to it in the description below. And then you want to click on the Kling button, Kling 3.0. And then what you want to do next is simply upload your base image as your first shot. So we're going to click on first frame button right here to import our first shot. From here, we can go on and add our shots. And so by default, the multi-shot should be turned off, and this is how it's going to look like. So in order to activate it, you need to toggle this on like so, and you're only going to see a shot one box. And then below that is going to be a button that allows you to add another shot. You can add up to 6 shots per video. You can generate up to 15 seconds video. So in each shot, you want to describe how each shot is going to look like and all that. And if you don't know how to do that, you can simply just ask ChatGPT to help you with prompting for each shot. You just need to describe or explain what you have in mind to ChatGPT, and then ChatGPT will do the rest for you. Now, once you have everything set, what you want to do next is simply click on the generate button. And now let me show you how the multi-shot works.
Just calm down.
From this image that you're looking at right now, we were able to generate a 9-second video with multi-shot, and you can see how Kling 3.0 handled it seamlessly, giving you the best experience ever. And here's another incredible multi-shot example you need to watch. Now let's take a look at emotion, because that was one of the biggest upgrades in Kling 3.0 versus the previous version, which is 2.6. I'm gonna have you watch a couple of clips and show you how real the emotion is and how dramatic they are. Now here's another dramatic emotion simulation from the previous version, so you can actually tell the difference between the previous version versus the latest version, which is 3.0. Of course, you can tell from this one by looking at it that it doesn't look realistic, it's fake, and it's more believable on the latest version 3.0 in the past clips that you've watched. Now let's take a look at the camera motion, because this is one of the upgrades we've been looking forward to in the latest update, Kling 3.0. You can see here in our example, we have a cheetah running, and then basically the camera is gripping to its tail, making it look natural and following or tracking its motion, creating that sense of engagement, dynamic, and making your scene look much better. And by the way, if you guys need access to all those prompts, you can find all those clips on the homepage of Higgsfield. You just click on the video and check out its prompt for inspiration, and then start creating your own and have fun. So the way to do that and getting started with videos like this is the same way. You just click on or hover over the video button, click on Kling 3.0, and then from there, make sure that the multi-shot is turned off. And then from here, you can just simply type in your prompt and hit generate. Be sure to check out the duration. So this is one of the cool things that we've also seen in the update, that you're now able to choose the length of your video by dragging the slider right here, left or right, to adjust the length of your video clip. Next, you can also determine the resolution, or let's say the dimensions or aspect ratio of your video by checking out the options right here. Either go for 720 or 1080p. And then when you're done, you just simply click on the generate button and then you're going to have your video in minutes. Another good example of this guy playing basket and he's doing a flip in the air with a slow motion. I mean, how cool is that? This is really fascinating already. Now let me show it to you with some music and sound effects. So let's watch it in action.
Old heads on the bench, eyes sharp, say less. You want shine, young blood, you gotta earn.
You can tell how powerful Kling 3.0 already, and of course there are many examples that I haven't covered yet in this video. One of them is actually character consistency, and so there are a couple of recent tutorials that were shared on the Higgsfield YouTube channel. They're worth watching, so go ahead and take a look at them because they're really amazing and you're going to learn a lot from them. And by the way, I recently posted a new tutorial that shows you how you can use Higgsfield to turn yourself or anybody into any character in 3 simple steps. So if you're interested in watching it, be sure to check it out. I'll leave a link to it that's going to show up on the top right. I'm also going to leave a link to it on the end screen so you can watch it after this one. And let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Until then, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.